Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is officially December 2nd, so it's time for me to do my retwist, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. I have all of this new growth, so I'm excited to see how my hair is going to look. For this retwist, I'm only going to be using my flaxseed gel that I make myself. Looks like this. And then I have my Africa's Best Herbal Oil that I put in this applicator bottle, so it's easier for me to do my retwist. And I just have some clips so I can clip it down, and that's pretty much it. I also have my spray bottle just in case my hair is a little bit dry, and that is pretty much it. I'm going to do the back of my hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I'm doing the front. So I'm almost done. I just want to show you guys exactly how I'm doing it. So I already separated a row of my hair, so this is one row of a lock that I'm going to be retwisting, and I want to show you guys how the lock is looking. You can see the new growth and the lock, how it is. It's crazy. So the very first thing that I do is I oil. So I'm going to put the oil on my scalp, and then I massage that in just to make sure that, you know, my hair is not all dry and stuff. Right after I do that, I take my gel and I do basically the same thing, and then I massage that into the new growth area that I have that I'm going to be retwisting. I'm going to be looking at my mirror also when I'm doing this, so I can make sure I'm doing it the right way. So very important. I personally, I don't want it to be neat. I don't want it to, like, for the parts not to show. So I try to separate them and take any flyaways. And then basically what I do is I twist it clockwise. So I twist it the way that my hair was twisted. So I twist it clockwise, and then I take a pin and I pin it down. And then I do the same thing with the next one. So the next one, I already have the gel on it. I actually feel like I need like a little bit more gel. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Just this much. Like, is really not a lot. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take it, separate any flyaways that I may have. Then I'm going to twist my hair. Ooh. I'm going to twist my hair clockwise. And then, so the previous hair that I had, I'm going to take the same pin and I'm going to pin both of them. So I do this so I can be anchored, so like it's not all twisting and stuff, because for me sometimes if it's just one hair on the pin, it like turns around. I don't like that. So this has a lot more flyaways. I'm just going to separate it, make sure every hair is in their place, and then I'm going to twist. So personally, I mostly just twist. I don't palm roll, only because if I start to palm roll, I forget that I'm palm rolling, and then some of them are palm rolling, some of them are not. So just to avoid that, I just only do this, and then if I have any hair that comes out of the lock, I just wrap it around my hair so that I don't have any issues. So for this one, I get all the little pieces of hair, and then I do the same exact thing. And I'm going to take the previous lock and use the same pin and pin it down. This is how it looks. So since I've been locked, I've only ever used flaxseed gel. So I honestly cannot say what the drying time is for the other ones. But for me, it's pretty quick. But because it's nighttime, I'm just going to go to sleep. And by tomorrow, I know my hair will be good to go. So I'm really not sure what the usual drying time is for other gels. But for me, with this, it's pretty quick. Also because I'm probably not using a lot and it's only just like the roots of my hair. But personally, I feel like the drying time is really quick with this compared to how much time like it usually takes me when I have natural hair. This is my last lock that I'm going to be twisting. And all right. So this is how it's looking before it's dried up. I'm really just going to put a silk satin bonnet on and call it a night. So I will be coming back tomorrow to show you guys how it looks. So it is the very next day, and this is how my hair is looking. I'm going to take the clips out, and we're gonna see what we're working with. All right, so I took out all my clips, and this is what we're working with. This is how the hair is looking. There are some pieces that are sticking out, kind of like these ones right here. So usually what I do is I just tuck them in, and like around day 2 or day 3 it starts to drop, and that's when my hair just starts looking beautiful and amazing until I mess it up again. So my last trip to the beauty supply store, I got these little rings. I really just missed the ones that I had, and I just feel like I just need some accessory. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what kind of vlog jewelry I'm going to go for. So while I'm like still trying to figure that out, I got some of these rings just to, you know, just to try it out again and see what's up. So I'm just going to apply it. So this is the ring. You basically just open it, put it in your hair, and then you close it. And it's right here. So these rings are a lot bigger than the ones that I had. The ones that I had, I honestly had just went to Michael's, and I got these rings that they use, I think, for rings or for earrings or something like that, and I called it a day. So I added all of the rings, and this is how it's looking. I pretty much only added it to the areas that are sticking out so that, you know, once it drops, it'll look even better. I usually keep my hair styled like this in the middle part, and then after like about a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe, I switch over to a side part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is 5 months. This was my retwist. I really like how it looks. I'm feeling myself. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.